Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
You can format the appearance of axes within chart types that contain axes. One way to do this is to select the desired axis to format from the Chart Elements drop-down menu within the Current Selection button group on the Format tab of the Chart Tools Contextual tab in the ribbon. Then click the Format Selection button that appears below the drop-down menu in the same button group. Alternatively, you can right-click the desired axis to format within the actual chart. Then choose the Format Axis command from the pop-up menu that appears. Using either method then displays the Format Axis task pane at the right side of the screen, which lets you format the display of the selected axis. In the Axis Options category, which is shown by default, you can set the values to display within the selected axis. You can also choose other formatting categories to display within the task pane by simply clicking the desired options to set, and then clicking the desired category icon. The formatting options for the selected category then appear in collapsible and expandable lists at the bottom of the task pane. You can click the titles of each category list to expand and collapse the display of the options in that category. You can set any options you want within the task pane to immediately apply those changes to the chart. When finished, click the X button in the upper right corner of the task pane to close it.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.